Hello, welcome to our video. This is a quick video to show you how our dual SIM functionality works on our phones. So to make out a call, I can dial out the number, press call, and then I can choose which SIM I want to call out from. So obviously I got a Vodafone and a T-Mobile on here, so I can call out from those SIMs. I can also call out from my last calls and my address book here. Texting. So texting, when I receive a text, you can see that'll all show up in here, my text, and when I receive it you can see that where I've received that text message from. On the bottom here it shows that I've received a text message from my Vodafone SIM as well. Now when I send out a text message here, for example, I can choose which SIM it's going to come out from, so I have full control over that as well. Now you may have a default SIM that you always call out from, so that might be a bit annoying to choose every time, because you might have one SIM for calling, one SIM for texting. That's fine, you can select it here. So we go to the settings, we go to the SIM management, and then look, voice call is saying always ask. I can say, look, I always call out from my T-Mobile, so then it won't ask. Messaging is again saying always ask. I can say, well, I always call out a text from my Vodafone, so there you are. Now if I do a text message, it will always text message from my Vodafone. If I do a voice call, it will always voice call from my T-Mobile. So for example, I'll quickly show you. Let's call out something. Oh, let's call out something there. I'm calling out, it's not asked me, it's gone out directly from my T-Mobile. Now there's one more option that you can have. I go to SIM management again. I can have two buttons, so that might be useful as well. So here I have a double key, so all I'm doing in the voice call, I'm choosing the double key option. So now what happens is interesting. I have two call out buttons, which is great. So if I kind of use both SIMs, I don't want to be asked, I just want to call out easier, this may be an easier option for you. So there you have it. And text messaging, again, I have two buttons there, see, so I can text message from either of those SIMs with those two buttons. Okay, what about receiving calls? How will you know where you're receiving the call from? It's very simple, so I'll just call myself now and you'll see. Just turn that down. So you can see I'm receiving a call from my Vodafone UK SIM, and it's color coordinated, so it's purple there. From my signal, that's my signal from my Vodafone, and I'm receiving a call and it's purple, so I can immediately identify where I'm receiving that call from. Now if I call my T-Mobile now, you'll see that'll be green because my T-Mobile signal is green, so it will be green. It will also tell me as well, so I can instantly know visually where I'm getting the calls from. So there we are, you can see T-Mobile and it's green. So that is very straightforward to understand. Now on the SIM management as well, you can change the colours if you want to. So if I go to SIM management, there we are, I have my T-Mobile. I can change the different colour, and there's for other options there as well. Now I want to only have one SIM active, that's fine, I can turn them off like that, and now my Vodafone is only on and it's a single SIM phone, and I can switch it back on as well. So having it like this is like carrying two phones at the same time. Both the SIMs can receive calls, you can call out from either SIM, you can text from either SIM, you can receive text from your SIM. So it's essentially like carrying two phones with you at once. Of course, like I just showed you, you can turn either of those SIMs off if you want to temporarily. Anyway, I hope this video has been useful, and thank you for watching our video, and I really hope you choose to buy one of our phones.